Yo, what's up? So, welcome back to my channel. It's a little bit moodier setup today. I kind of like it. It's looking kind of cool. I think it's gonna be fun to edit. Um, Basically, you know how I said I was gonna do that uncut vlog channel? It was gonna be like uncut footage and all that. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Um, and why is that? Well, I haven't completely decided what I'm gonna say about this, but I mean, as you guys know, because I've talked about it enough, if I quit recording right now, I would have videos pushed out until mid-May, maybe by my birthday by now, I don't know. I know I have stuff until at least early May, and while that's great because that gives me time to create at a slower pace, and I like that, it's also hard because it feels very impersonal. And so I think what I'm gonna do, and this may be the stupidest decision I've ever made, I'm going to change my upload times on everything, and it's gonna be non-stop for a while. I want to get out and explore and make it a lot more personal. Like, I love photography, don't get me wrong. I love doing these videos and tutorials and things, just talking about photography, because it's what I love so much. But there comes a point where I don't want to keep talking about photography and I want to actually do it. I can sit behind a camera till kingdom come, but what I really want to do is get out and take the pictures and record the videos and have the adventures. And so I think that's going to be what's happening. So I have 25 videos that aren't live, and so I think I am going to do 25 videos in 25 days. Basically, those are just going to go live one a day. The other channel is going to come down, and we're just going to work on pumping out content, but like genuine. And it'll be uploaded when I want to. There'll be uploads, but I can't promise when they'll be. I just want to knock down the professionalism of this channel, so I'm going to go through. I'm actually grab you guys, bring you over here, and go through and start looking at these videos real quick. So yeah, let's do that. And you also get to see a little bit of behind the scenes with how all the video stuff around here works. Okay, so right off the bat, I mean, you can see my little fancy lights back there. Here is what I look at. I've got a thing that's probably scorching this, my computer with you guys, and another light here. So this is what you guys see all the time. And now, let's get some light. There we go, now we have some light in the scene here. And so now I'm just going to prop you up on a lens cap here. And like when I say I have stuff scheduled out, like, look at this. Come on, May 9th, 2022. Okay, so now I have a video going live literally every day and from now until March 7th, except on weekends. And I guess one reason I've just really wanted to do this is because I want to get out and start creating again, and having these weird upload times and all that has just really been hindering me when it comes to creative flow and ability and all that. So I'm gonna take tomorrow's February 1st, and so photography and all that's starting up again, but I'm going to take February and not record any videos on February and just start planning a bunch of because I really do, like I said, I really want to start creating again, and in a less formal, like, recording here is great. I really figured out the lighting. It can be quite a vibe, quite a mood, but I just want to get outside and start creating again, even in the dead of winter. So bear with me on that as I look into this kind of stuff. Now, I'm going to do a bunch of research, try and find some cool places, some people that might want to record with me, who knows. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next one. I will also say, dun, 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 my Patreon does exist, and so if you want to fund a bunch of these videos, you can sign up for as little as $3 a month. I'll probably bump that down to $1 just to make it really easy and a little more of an initiative for you guys to come help along the way and help fund some of these videos. I'm still working on some of the ins and outs on... Oh my gosh, I'm a freaking genius. I am a freaking genius. Holy crap, I'm a genius, I'm a genius, I'm a genius. Okay, see this right here? Patreon, personal videos on photography. In my most recent email I sent out, I said, hey, if you guys want, I'll make personal videos for you guys if you guys want to learn about photography. And now I can. You just need to sign up and be a Patreon so I can actually make money to film all this stuff. So thank you guys in advance. Please go sign up. That would help so much. Yeah, be sure to like, follow, subscribe. Comment down below what you've seen in an upcoming video. Maybe some ideas on some adventuring stuff. And I will catch you guys. Peace.